Hello children, welcome to my class. Today I am going to teach maths a new chapter, that is ordinal number. Before I teach you a new lesson, I would like to ask that in previous class I had given you some worksheet to revise the chapter which we had completed all these days. Hope all of you are sitting and doing the work. Till now only 4-5 students have shown me, and hope that other students also will try to complete and show me the work. Okay, don't trouble your parents, obey them and try to cooperate them. The ordinal numbers. Now what is ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers tell us about the position of objects in a collection. I repeat, what is ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers tell us about the position of objects in a collection. First, we should know the meaning of position, objects and collection. Now, first we'll take objects. What is objects? Here the children are the objects. And collection, these children, we have collection here. It may be a children, it may be anything, animal, anything. That is called a collection. Now position, we tell you where these children are sitting now. They are sitting on the staircase, and we would like to ask who this girl who is green color, where this girl is sitting. Then you should answer it as she is sitting on the first step. You cannot tell 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. We will tell it as first step. Now the boy with the blue shirt, where he is sitting? He is sitting on the second step. The boy with the green shirt, where he is sitting? He is sitting on the third step. The boy with yellow shirt, where he is sitting? He is sitting on the fourth step. And back of that boy, the girl is sitting wearing the white shirt. Where she is sitting? She is sitting in the fifth step. Likewise, we'll tell 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th and 10th. Like that we tell the position. So when we tell this position of the objects, then it is known as ordinal numbers. Okay. Here is an exercise. See each ordinal number and circle the correct object. Start from the left. So from your left hand side, you start circling the numbers. Now here it is written second. So you will circle the second object, that is a bone. Now first and second. Then you circle here with a pencil. Second one, fourth. Then count like this. First, second, third, fourth. This is a position. And these are the objects. And this is a collection. Understood? Now, here it is written 6th. That means you have to circle the 6th object. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th object you circle. So are you understanding that this is the position and this is the object and these are the collection of goats here. Now fourth one, 9th. Here it is a guitar. In this picture, guitar is the object, and guitar, we have collection of guitar. And what is the position of? They are asking the 9th position. Go and color it, circle it. So let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. 9th guitar, you circle. This is the object here and this is the position also. Turn the page here, activity 10. Here the question is, color the fifth balloon in orange. Fifth balloon. So count first, second, third, fourth, fifth. You have to color in orange. I have already done for you here. Then second balloon in yellow. First, second. Second balloon you have to color with yellow. The fourth balloon in green. So you color the fourth balloon in green. First balloon in blue. You will color the first balloon in blue. Sixth balloon in pink and the third balloon in red color. So these are the objects here and collection is the balloon, and you are going to color the numbers. Now color the fifth apple from left. From left hand side you will color the fifth apple, comes this one. So you will color the fifth apple. Okay. The next question is, fill in the blanks. Here some alphabets have been given here, that is V, A, R, A, N, A, S, I. That is Varnasi. So in Varnasi, the fifth letter is, they are asking here, which is the fifth letter here? V, first, second, third, fourth, fifth is N. So you will write there N. Seventh letter is, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Seventh letter is S. You will write there S. Now V is the which position? What is the position of V here? It is the first position. So you will write here it is the first letter. The third letter is R. First, second and third. You will write here R. The eighth letter is I. So one more activity is there. 11th activity, page number 25. Look at the picture given below carefully. In it, some children are waiting to enter the zoo. So here you are seeing these children are standing in a line, in a queue. They want to go to zoo and see the animals. Now this girl name is Sarah, Sonu, Rahim, Kavita, Sam and John. Now let's see their position. Okay, these are the collection and we'll see the position now, and they are the object. Sonu is standing in the which position? Sonu is here first and second position. So you will write here second. Don't write only 2. You have to write ND. Second position. Kavita is standing in the fourth place. Who is standing in the fourth place? Kavita. So you will write there Kavita. Sarah is standing in the first place. Where is Sarah standing? On the first place. Rahim is standing in the which place? Rahim is standing in the third place. Where is Sam is standing? Sam is standing in the fifth place. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Hope you understood the ordinal numbers. First you will do all these works in the book. Then in the next class I will give you some work from the ordinal numbers so that you can write in your copy. Okay? Thank you.